A 3 BHK flat available for rent measuring 2159 square feet. This is on Prestige Garden Bay. We have only 2 flats at each floor. This one will be first. This is the exact unit which is available for rent. You can check the size of this main door. While we enter, we have a small foyer area. It is light up and a small shoe rack have been provided with a lot of storage. This is your large size living room. We have a dedicated puja space over here. The rent for this flat is 55,000 including maintenance. A full size TV cabinet with a small powder room. Total 4 washrooms have been provided. This is the common washroom, 3 are attached, 2 balcony, 2 covered car parking. A separate dining area have been provided. A secretary system. This one will be a modular kitchen. You can check the size of this modular kitchen as well. Chimney with gas stove and a dedicated space for your refrigerator. This is your separate utility area where we have provision for your washing machine. If you want to provide dishwasher, you can use it as well. A lot of storage. This is on the second floor, YELAHANKA, Dudhwalapur Main Road. Contact 9113203639 for more info. This one will be your first balcony which is attached with your living room to provide ample amount of sunlight. You can check the opening from here. This is a big size space for your cylinder, but pipe gas line have been also provided. You can just check the size of this living room. It's very massive. This one will be your master bedroom with wooden flooring, wardrobe with lofts, a mirror have been provided and attached washroom. Bathtub is there with sink, storage, mirror, geyser. In this washroom we have a solar geyser. It comes with an attached balcony. You can check the size of the second balcony as well. You can enjoy this greenery over here. This is just 2 kilometers away from RMG Galleria Mall and just 300 to 400 meters away from YELAHANKA Dudhwalapur Main Road. Beautifully designed TV cabinet with lot of storage. The deposit is 3 lakhs. Contact 9113203639 for more info. These are the 2 bedrooms more. This one will be your second bedroom, again with wooden flooring and a beautiful view towards the swimming pool. Wardrobe with lofts have been provided and a attached washroom. Again with a separate shower area, glass partition have been done. This is your last bedroom, the third bedroom. It got 2 windows, so the sunlight comes to this flat is very nice with wooden flooring. Again grill have been provided with mosquito mesh and view towards your swimming pool. In this society we have all the amenities available. Check the size of this bedroom. You will not find this easily. This is a 2159 square feet flat with walk-in wardrobe. 3-door wardrobes have been provided with lofts and a mirror along with attached washroom. You can check the size of this washroom as well. Mirror, storage, a separate shower area with glass partition. If you enjoy this video, contact us